So I'm gonna give him his meds, and this is gonna look simple enough, and I'm gonna walk you through afterwards how we got there, because it took about 6 months of training him just how to learn how to swallow, because he didn't get the concept. So I'm gonna show you what we do where we're at now. So I use yogurt. It's a little bit thicker. Put on the spoon. I take whatever pill he has to take, and I put it right in the middle, just like that. Come here, bubbies. Swallow. Good job, baby. He's not happy with me. Okay, so he didn't understand what it was like to swallow, and he always had the liquid kind, and as he was growing up, we had to put him on different medications, so we had to teach him how to swallow. So what we did in the beginning is we just took spoonfuls of liquid, and he would come in the kitchen, I'd give him a spoonful of something he liked, like a Kool-Aid or something, and for the first 3-4 weeks, all we did is put in his mouth and say swallow. Put in his mouth, say swallow. So he got the concept, things I've had now. He got the concept of swallowing. Afterwards, we have to do it to something thicker, because you can't put a liquid with the medication, otherwise it's going to dissolve and it ruins the entire thing, right? So we started doing pudding. So we did about 3 or 4 weeks of pudding, and then we switched to yogurt because it's a little bit thicker consistency with the yogurt, so it hides the medication. And once we switched to yogurt, what we did is we put little sprinkles, because he has to learn to swallow it even with something hard in the actual pudding or in the yogurt, because your first thought is to kind of filter it out with your tongue. So we would put the same way in his mouth, and we'd say swallow and give him the drink afterwards. And then we started just breaking up little vitamins. We practiced that, and then we finally got to his medication. So 6 months later, he can swallow medication, and he gets the concept of swallowing now. So, but we still repeat the word in case, he forgets it, because it takes about 3,000 times for him to get a concept of something, of doing it over and over and over and over again. So we got there.